guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys coming back. As you guys saw from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm taking for dove hunting. Here the season starts September 1st, so that will be tomorrow for me. So I'm pretty excited about that. Hopefully I get to limit out. If not, you know, it is hunting, right? So we always can be that successful. With that being said, let's get to the bag dump, okay? So the first thing I'm going to show you guys that I'm taking, because I'm here in Texas and I've been that close before to some rattlesnakes, to some gators, right? Some people like to wear boots. I don't like wearing those high boots, so I take these gators, all right? Pretty simple. I have just a regular backpack, and as you guys all know, and most of you guys are taking, you gotta take some Mojos, right? These Mojos, I'm gonna be placing them approximately 15 to 25 feet from where I'm gonna be sitting at. So I'm taking some Mojos, right? So this is the Mojo Voodoos. If you guys haven't used these before, it's pretty simple. They have some sort of magnetic wings that you can just attach to these and just set them up approximately 10 feet from each other. Make sure you get some batteries. I gotta pick up some batteries myself, so I'm taking 4 of these bad boys and just spread them around. Most important thing is don't forget your sticks, right? Don't forget your sticks. It's happened to me before, so make sure you take your sticks with you. Something that is super clutch. I'm not sure how that place that we're gonna go be hunting, how it's set up or how much water, but it's still pretty hot out here. I haven't seen too much mosquitoes, but if so, I'm taking my thermocell. This thing is so clutch for those that hunt early season, especially when bow season starts for deer season. Very clutch. Take a thermocell with you. You can pick them up in Academy, Walmart, order them on Amazon, wherever. Pretty simple. Taking my trusty chair, nothing crazy, just something simple, just picking up random chair. And also one of my another kind of chair, it has a little bucket and it has a swivel, so I'm taking 2 of these bad boys. And obviously I'm taking the cooler full of snacks and beer and whatnot. You know, I think that's the coolest thing about dove season, that you don't have to be hella quiet and you can have fun out there with the boys and just hang out and kick it, right? My weapon of choice, I'm taking my Benelli Nova. Nothing crazy, nothing special, just a regular shotgun 12 gauge. I used this the last couple of seasons. It does well. I'm sure there's better out there, but this is what I'm taking, Benelli Nova. Cool. I'm also taking just this basic Winchester 12 gauge shells. Nothing crazy, a shot. As you guys know, with this ammo crisis, Jesus Christ, right? I just picked up this shell bag. I figure I tried it out. Usually wear a vest with the pockets and all that nonsense, but I decided to try this out this season. It's nothing crazy. It's dove hunting, right? We're supposed to be out there having fun, so I'm not too critical about it. With that being said, if you guys have any questions, hit me up below. Stay tuned for the video when I go out there dove hunting. Hopefully it turns out to be a good one. Hopefully I'll limit it out. That'll be pretty cool too. With that being said, let me know how your dove season is going, and do me a solid, subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.